Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how to get rid of this notification pop-up that you get on your Windows PC where it says, let's finish setting up your PC, and it's basically suggesting additional Microsoft products for you to set up. And if you're not interested in them, you click remind me in 3 days, and then you keep getting this notification. So if you don't want to get this anymore, what we want to do when we're logged into our Windows PC is on our taskbar, we're going to find the search option right here, and we're going to open that up. And in our search area, we're going to type settings. And from there, in our search results, we're going to click on the option that says settings system. We're going to open this up. And from our settings page, make sure you're selected on the tab that says system, which is right below where it says home. So opening up the system option. And in our system settings, what we want to find is where it says notifications. We're going to open up that next. And then in our notifications, we're going to scroll down until we find where it says additional settings. We're going to open this up, and the boxes that you have here, we're going to uncheck them, specifically suggesting ways to get the most out of Windows and finish setting up this device. We don't want that. And then also getting tips and suggestions when using Windows, we can uncheck that box as well. But this is what we're looking for, unchecking that in our additional settings. And that should make it so you no longer get this pop-up when you're logging in to your Windows PC and then having it remind you of this every handful of days. Again, completely getting rid of this notification so you don't have to keep clicking through and saying that you're not interested in these additional products. That is how you can get rid of this pop-up notification.